me for be say spiritual son need do be also when you me baby. Okay. Possible. Name of Debbie Azamba open American. Say, we was said as a eja. Okay. Oh, why you not said yes, eja. Be bintin or co bin chen or you be to say eba. E be an any pan your wash anyway, and a be a coin be an opus or didn't pan fast will be a went to my penny panaya day. I've told me about Timber Casa, and I'm anyway yaka, into Uzon and yaka. Any power in Permasem, into Uzo men penasem. What I say, I have finance because you have no, will be a coming once a month. So radio station, man, conquer to because I radio station for no, Oma di Matemda. So, and to be about Francis called radio stations or Casa, Nepapa Betmaka, I didn't have some called radio station on Wako. So, young Pancham said, about Fran Machem, you know. Some of Fred were one now who didn't bang them, Jumam. Or when young Jumam were summit amount. And your wife flower too nasty, what you are solid and aqua to one, would me for 4 friends if I saw one son of Baba. And oh, tis a only manner, Utitu woman in Casa, Nemco. And I do no Baba so metimao, and also young different. I then a young because in I, son, I had to say, Mituana Marco adapted. Son, Abekan, whom I young crata, Bibia saw Yamiba. Said they made the almost free me young by and a put on the mom. Said a message to your son, adopted ones, no so. My own tea. What is the difference? A woman said, because of say, we don't want to say no, on our own party knowledge, on our be a branch, chairman or tianity. What to me can I say? On the foundation of that person, a winner would have. By the wall, by the fapping winner also. What on the fapping over? Now, what can I say? We say, Abrabum, we hear, more friends say, we hear guide, will be, I'm not going to submit your amount. And funny, you said you wanted to be because the foundation winning more. On to a microphone man, on per man, not so when you're not a picker's ball for. There's any on your son, no. We and the son, now my child say, you were Sanchi, you were dear Wawono. Ah, you will be a Wawono, or Bow. And there will be soon whom so we man into a frau mammy, but when you're back. But of no man, dear moms, a foot to walk on Cherubia Famano, but one Tessa will bow watch him Naya day. I want to. Send identity. And did the one way in said you want to or be frau man, as I said, Anabatian, we are a mistake. Okay. Because we won't become no mammy or no mammy quite what never so you didn't know what best of Metia Mouse say when I am a mammy or found any mammy. So what I say, into so who sadly. Now who said your bayan yama, and yes, and you pan free baby about Venavation Yamano, war about in the doctrine, and to one panel, and you know. War ban wokutana software, penno, and you know. War ban wokran style of ministry, penno, and you know. And Quajini, ye, what can't you say, quite a fussy yas or in the guy. Because me, Yama sorry say, now you are sorry say, Tinam say, and you pan on you know, and you pump fan to answer, my spiritual son. Now also so work of friend, my spiritual father. Because problem can see a work room was his, you know, me can't account you say, and your spiritual fathers and spiritual sons. Problem can see Emma Christos my piso. Spiritual fathers and spiritual son. And the spiritual sons from Boma say Ashawufo. And no behuneha, what Chano Jinaha, and the Chienu Jinaha, and Noah. 10 or 1 teddy or more yanasiana. The answer sheet, and when you go swap, Ushe. Papa Yara spiritual sons are and ne. Oba software bruku. 2 months' time. Now o Jenipa Sumesia saw them no so across submetiaman. 3 months' time, a year time. Now o just software Sumesu no across submetiaman. Wamono. And when you sanship by your Juma yet. One year, Juma, one yanaba. Okay. Now, so Pia Bonti because me spiritual father. Say, Pina me children means say, will be to me cancer and spiritual father, and so one spiritual father. I want your dear meeting. It will be over down, my spiritual father, and my spiritual son, my spiritual sign, and your banana. And me will go on in friend is me back. Who did me? Can you be any pan one over here to maybe? And you man one over here, and your back. And you didn't tombs over. Now, so I need tombs over, papa. Okay. And no problem, no. Do can't say Obano Kojina baby or can go yadi. But when you're back, when you need a bay, one way you must say. If you do a son, 1 year, Juma, and you know flower buy. Who did you make it? And to obey Juma. I had over a yasol or sofa back. Sofa on year back. What baby? Why, Juma baby? What free one? What free one? What's enough here? ena o se da bi mekọ na me akoto obi ani se papa me bia me won me firi wo me ofie se papa metima be so mu a na so papa betima jim no amma ba ha ye so wanya hwe osofo onyam dwuma ye mpamu nipa entibra wanya me ba nyam nam tete no nyam nam kire ba abra kenkai o meso miti bibi ma me so le metu atai bi ma me adwuma no oba oba ye boso me so ani ayede ye tia ne ka wanya me ba anya wo me
wo ho nso no
anya wo wanya me ba me an matete no abafura no
wanya
sofo wo na awurade na mo so a lift na urezi no abeduru ba bia wa ye sofo ene wotimi kasa wonu betimi de usasi wa kasa wei wanya me ba na obi o wi aso bia nso nje wei wanya ne ba etu za me ba wo wanya wo ba wo firi sofo wa sori no ba wo sori no firi sofo wa sori no ba wo sori a wanya wo ba ndi asama ye ne maka dem no se nipa ne ne nka entrase ne kura da match what you say entrase ne da match because when you agenda obi betuma sheda ne na ye so mini na je adwuma ye no sheda amna bedi wa so fifi abusumi sia na afi just to study your method, to study the way you move, to study the way you operate, to study the secret behind that ministry. So if you are not careful, that is why you have to be very, very careful. I don't see them as a spiritual sons. I don't see them as a spiritual sons. No, they are not spiritual sons. They are just workers. They came to work.
It's also for some piano, no can watch them. So me quiet you are also month. And I'm share the economy to me and free. In Cocasa, me papa or tete me. Nanti the so for 1 minute of no. You're not a tail. One more branch I seen you come 10 minutes. In Timan found to one Cocasa, one net to tail, one to tail with that. Wo bano. Wo bano. When you need our num. Wo bano, what for a baby? Neither as of your power. So Pierre say, now I am a papa. Menene na nante wo ka kire mu yese me koni bosumi nsia abosumi nnum wo ho e na mafiri ho and a spiritual sonship any spiritual father e na yegusu a ye ka ho asem sa fe na wa join ya in fact o me say but wa me say kakra share page no e ma me mesrew oba so a na wa share. It's all about the spiritual fatherhood. Papa me pa ochewo yanhwe se metifie na ma hu say sofo asumasi na adwuma ya wo ye eye mefe na me sorry a me kotua tight mano me tua tight no e qualify me as a son and as a daughter and I qualify the man to call me say ne bane me ana bibi
anya tight di otua mo so otua tight ma sofo and na otum kotua tight mo bia so fathers wo kotua tight am bi tight nko an kire say spiritual father. Medical can't say spiritual. Now,
spiritual father, obi a watete nso no. Untia tight mana, e qualify wo se wo ye.
Also to tight man spiritual father.
Na untia dia na esenya wo ba ne ba.
No, betuma ma se untia ma no an, be butu akotua untia ma no bo tua ma obi a, it's okay. What I say, bia untia ma sima, ni bia kura nipa no watete wo no. Along the line no watete wo no, make kasa no, e na make kan. E bi kura o te say no, onye spiritual father bi. So what I say, so far as what it is, be on your spiritual father. If you are submitting to people for any person, your spiritual father. It is any pan also to attach man. Because spiritual father go about it to attach man also as some conform. Where spiritual father and any brother. Where spiritual father were Yahoya. Where spiritual father were before. Jesus is cancel one friend spiritual father. Now one person when you when you pay him now when you're not as a spiritual father. Where spiritual father and any brother. We are Kurano ministry because of Yania. Who call in China to cap papa Ayania? Who call in China Shada papa Ayania? Who call in China Ba papa and who fair Edi Wachi now the Nequa Ayania? So a year more fair Ayania. Where spiritual father and any brother and the spiritual father be a penny mancos or into Jesus or trusty Judas and the Sika share. But to answer a man another person wants to monitor Judas or Judas upon what name Judas you know the share. Into spiritual father there, o trust over. O trust over the spiritual father when in the back as our record on. Where spiritual father? Spiritual father when in the back as our spiritual father.
What evidence?
What evidence? What spiritual father? Agenda Ben won't you?
That's the thing.
The spiritual father born in the brother, Sikabi and Wukuta, Adibia, who Yaman in wires, the casa ya back from. Crafomo one room we are solid. Yet me call Hoko Jinahoni, Omupon, as often being introducing so. Also for Kumasin Waba, also Baba Chow. So for Intimishami, oh, no, I can asem, no, wakɔ baby kese wonya tampra ne mini nkɔ no obisam say what is my vision, what are some of niema me pese me wakɔ baby sa anche na sofo no te say urade a lift me fa baby a yebo buruku aburu fa baby yebo buruku aburuka afa di osofo yi epeso opetu ne me adam for ba for petu ma me submit say me ye ne ba so da bi me nya say adwuma no because ye ba ya ye be pefa mpe magina so no me ba chia okra no oke kan fon kire me want to any ahwanim oke kan fon kire na wo no wasole bu ye ya o te see awurade ama me so awurade apagya me ameko ba no e na me mra me submit mo as a spiritual na nya bia e na ma me be for spiritual father e no na me sim profo be bro mo ntiase a tree that is not taller than you cannot give you shade. A tree that is not taller than you. Or so for penny no nim nyansa. Want me your papa. Okay. And found in fear to do what the impact ben one make ye nim die woni ni hia. And some ben will catch it or come back with wasam. And now what can say ye yam upon will be any masse. Okay. Ne maturity to say. What me small business ko we ya so this any pa ya. And now one more tenasia. Ya was so for front one more can wasam. Send pan me to me for us as spiritual father. What you watch here? And the spiritual father no there. And you very very careful. And you be your friend spiritual father. Okay. God saying now spiritual father, spiritual father. Spiritual father, spiritual father. Where some man? Now when the will be no summit here. Nan say we aba when the disika kesi aba. So for penyin no shall say can we one century we. Wa shall say we God. We see kasam go for we see kasam go so. We na need the apeja. Wa shall say Wa shall say I was say what a basa obey them your first spiritual father. And the spiritual father need me gate and crano obi o hoti ba spiritual father no. Never me life funti ba wale an wa to me life wa from to for that. Okay. Asem to me cry for frame say asem want to say. O frame but say me want to say that. O bom pempo ko nyame no say osofo Erade ne mo na me hye ne den. Wo ye bi da. Na wa se me fra waja. Me ifiri wa no. Me fra waja da wo nyame ja untimi nyame ja so da. What you say? We are not my spiritual entertainment. Okay. Me dey need dey man so is opanyini. But entertainment. Okay. And I know be as we bet my bomb say me from your son. Okay. That be because your secret is your power. That's and you be we as be na me fan ma be game be so akira. Okay. Dey o me na me dey matete no kro nim me. Na nte say wa wo ba na ni. That's the thing. What dey matete no kro nim me na nte say wa wo ba na ni. Secret boy Elijah dey call ya Elijah ehunu da. It's true. And hintas many people be ni. Spiritual fathers should be very careful with them kra ya be submit. Obu o ani abone po obu ani asoma no. Obu ani obehura gina wona so de ehunu soro. Hweye wa ma so be submit. Wa ma so be so abe submit. Wa ma spiritual son ya wo call papa sole a wo pick phone call. Wo yale. Wo ya spiritual son. Wa call papa so dem phone o gina so. Pepa. Now WhatsApp was saw them all. Now we call. Oh, the jink of 4 telephone numbers. William Yansa. Oh, Sherman, I was spiritual son or was on no better on your back. What over penny? What over penny? And 1 hour your course. And 1 hour your call, Papa saw them now got your man number. Oh, Papa saw them now got your man number. Yeah, what now who knows saying Yamia Pajano class and spiritual. And no one was submitted. And conquer submitting for poor being was and found me papa. What about your uncle Bobby or papa? Now since so do a cobia or dimisio and I make papa near Buru Papa near Buru. Ya what dimity, a police if one year to call a quail grip for one year. When you more down, I make papa near Buruku number Pania Buruku and what one would say number Pania Buruku. You are not my son, and you can never be my son. You are not my son, you can never be my son. And a soft one penny for Yami now. And you will be an to us a son. Now, Papa was so be any spiritual father. It's very important. Elijah no his spiritual father. Elijah Nabusane Mami so when Papa way. For Elijah ma. For Elijah ma. Ne mami your friends, ne papa your friends. Ti for Elijah say ma. Elijah ni metu salam for ma say ma. For ma say ma. Say yes say. Chinchina wunya spiritual father. And it is very important. Paul can was him. 1 Corinthians 4:15. Come on. 1 Corinthians 4:15. 4:15. Or can say fathers in the faith. 1 Corinthians 4:15. 4:15. Our Bible. 1 Corinthians 4:15. Pacho what sure said. Na semu wo ahwefo opidu wo Kristo mu mpo a munni ejanom bebre. Na me na menam asempa no so me wo mo Kristo Yesu mu. What do you say? Me na asempa no so ye den.
me wo mo Yesu Kristo mu nti metumofo se mo hwe me nsua me ye nti na masoma Timothy a oye me badofo ne nokwafo Awurade mu aba
verse 1 mami so what you say nti father so Philippians 2:19 kai Philippians 2:19
Philippians 2:19 me pa cha of our Bible Philippians 2:19 what you say nanso mani da so Awurade Yesu mu se erinche kra mesoma Timothy ama no aba mo nchen na se mote no nka me ho nso atome na mini obi a one magene se ti se ono am ho asem hia no no efi se won nyina
22 ano agyan
efi se won nyina hwehwe won ara de
emu nyina ayren
omo hwehwe won ara de na enye de Yesu Kristo Yesu enye de na enye de eye Yesu Kristo de na ono de se de munim no wonim se one me som asempa no fam se de etie wo oba ne naja ntem
what you say na chese ne mane dɔɔso but ebi nye we ne waji nidi okay so what you say wasi we die munim but ebi ne wo maka de wo mafu ne wo mo dwena ho okay ebi ne wo maka wo mafu wontimi wo ma wontimi nyankora ni nyina pa da okay wontimi nyankora ni nyina pa da enti no we are spiritual father be careful and now we are spiritual son be careful there was submit amano betima say wa brabo because one didn't say to so the one what dey man adwama woni mu a obeyi dwamanfo obu o wa ukọ submit amano na woni ma pe ukọ submit man na adwama ya be show because the one near adwama okay so what I say because spiritual father odi na mu obu nkotudwe ma no bompa e ma nti se o impartation the one what dey man Peter sisika ni bitemi ni bidia be one am dey man Yesu di mu sore ya dai nti wodo ne say to so bompa me adwama woni mu a obenya eni bre woni mu a obenya ahoya woni mu a obenya ebenya to anya very careful about say through spiritual father wabra ba say okay obi anya very careful ni pass on business spiritual father especially obi anya ni brade obi oye eye red okay obi anya ni brade obi a wo hu ade woni pa ho anya ne fe gese ne de pe ne ya ne fe ya ni pa ne fa ne father Jesus because papa bi a wanti mama ne ba anya kese ansene no wanya japa eja abofra bi so wanti mama anya kese ansene ne ja no wanya abofra pa you have to be greater than your father okay. Papa bia so wasade ye se obaba ya kese ache ti wo ye gya na nka hu so me ko so anu oni age okay onya hoya
papa ye hwe se mako submit ya ma meja anase meja mpa a otete me ono ohwe me so ye bibia me sori amekọ no obọ mpa ye ma me se de wo ka no eja edum na bia ne subanyo otimi mpate na ebi edum pempenso bi na meja na ware ye feelings a waja ware ana meja akodi boni bi eno etimi ma me opportunity ma meka se nipa asoma se de bia ne suban continue me nso no eba no se de o ka se eja ne timi hu ba ne suban bi ka se wonya me ba bi me nso timi ka se we de waye ne nti onye meja bi mu
dabi enye no ntum okay dabi o papa de o papa se bi wono nsan onye o papa
I am papa
the people should be very careful okay people should be very careful o papa suban bi o mu bia no is still your father and fa no kasenti awoja never in your life say obefa obi say we ye woja na obe kasenti an okay and a very dangerous okay very dangerous obi ani wi ase me friend eja na me de ma no be kasenti an da because me nim senye nti sana wale egu ye say egu na nim ase say e kan asem say fa no is part of the ministry okay and then na atu nipa no but unim de obeto o chena ti obi problem ni obi downfall and obi trials no misua de firim e de bobra ko menim but me fa nya pillar e nyina so mfa nse nipa okay any time bi a me nam ya me hu obi mistake no it's a lesson for me okay it's a lesson they are two obi bia I am university ameko enti so obi awali aguso obi azumisi anu nti ana obi se ade na osofo jawali ade na osofo akoka asem ti onye sofo ha kan obi gina ade ba akoso aka duru bi so onye sofo okay osofo onye nipa sa wati ase nemom de me minim ne se mano de me mfa nka se me wo bibi ye ana wo nyame ameka bibi a kire me eye me amasem but se me gina no so de aye ade de because I don't think say de ne betima ba because akwese woni wukunu tiwe bibi ebetuma si e wo no wukunu ta na betuma hu bibi wo wukunu ontumi nka se ntu jawale wukunu so be hunu bibi ontumi nka se ntu jawale da bi da tu no obi koye spiritual father and sons e covenant tinam se wo obi nyi wuntum as a son en kan kire nkofo se me papa no okay okọ ne nche wote nanim no kasa ba to nya ne ba Yɛhwɛ saa deɛ ni wonya ne ba da bɛn no wɔfa ne phone frɛ wo da sɛ watam phone wafrɛ wo da bɛn na akɔ wɔ ne wotena ne office bi ba aburo mu da da bɛn no wɔtam apple baako sɛ gye wo so gye wɔ ne woto bɔ nkɔm ne wodi woba ne nkyɛn ɔpɛ wasɛm ba to ɔnye wo ntomu sɛ ba susufa toto ano sɛ ɔpapa no no ɛno ne adeɛ kɔ so kuroma na akɔ so ya obi a me spiritual father ni obi a me papa ni obi a we should be very careful.
Ghana wohwɛ papa wohwɛ Ghana ha asɔfo mpanimfoɔ na omo ye omo sɛdeɛ wɔ sɔ omo ye
dabi Ghana ha deɛ asɔfo mpanimfoɔ ne deɛ 5% pɛ na you must
because the enta me bisa sa
ɛyɛ 5 pa kɔ si 5 pɛ
enta me bi
5 pɛ
the enta me bisa sa question we ɛyɛ me come back to Prophet Ebert Angel me hyɛ sɛdeɛ ɔyɛ ne fatherhood sɛdeɛ ne man wɔ ne omo teɛ ne sɛdeɛ wɔyɛ a me bisa sa question based on what sesi a wo kan say da be kwa na otimi na otena hodi apodi nkomo da be na otimi na otena okwa echiche wo da BBC ya one edi nkomo chiche wo re ka bibi chire wo nti ye papa no mo wo kurom ha omo crucify man kora ansa na man omo du so omo koso
asema me kan won ti ana wonu sika no ope wo o wan ga so ope wo sign no no wan so obi ehia nya ko fa ne sign na mo agina tum da.
That's the question.
One no nya no wo dwene ho o ya de a wo dwene ho kase no ye de odi be ma no what is our software keto obi asema ba kroma ma software panyine bi abeka se bi ama software ne da obeba abeka na gu obeba abagu na nim ase obeba abesopa no obeba abetwa na gu enti me can you pray fan Ghana software ho nkruma no asofo mpanyimfo no 10% depend on you moduma sana sa 10% is your nkrofo a omumfa omumura fathership and sonship no no fatherhood and sonship no omu no omu na aye di omutim baby because akos you ade okromu an say ubie wan wa ye bedi watem wotu be ukoka bedi watem tie ne ma menya de me tam baby because enkora no ma ba no
anya nkora no so no mo ye stubborn ye
enti na me se nkora ni bisi no nkora ni bisi ne te se aboa bi wotufu no ya fra na twakwa awia enti osofo panyine koka wo bedi na tam wo munu ni sire mu dam so bedi na tam enti ene papa no se ene me na nya de na nka enti ekosu ya ni nyina mu no papa nto ba ntwene se wa ya ade we ntimato na twene mfo ene obi wo kro onye wo ba oye sofo wo anim chen no enti oba no no oye bibia fa phone na frɛ no osofo asem se ni mesrew se se de ene ehwe ho yi ebia wonti obi ansem ba to frɛ no obetie wasem ena wo ho no obi be kan osofo obi ho asem kyerɛ wo a enyina so enyi ni wo ye nyame nipa o san ye man of God ko nyame anim na urade ne won kasa na tie de urade ka na nya de odi na sem bi ka wo court na ade bim
Jesus
nti wo yourself wo ntie fam wo tie soro eno ni secret ankofo bebire nim Jesus wo what ni baby ya one day what one in the suafo to on the suafo to do ya say Peter so wura yo ne suafo na di udi to an what say wura se bidi no mu body eja no mu ye de wo mu mo sanse eja ba ku ni nyina ye de
so
on condemn obi ni ma so on go show obi echi so say obi uti dey make ba you should be very careful na asofo mpanyufo yemie bie ye pono mani pe bia keke yemie bie opono mani pe bia keke ne nipa be bie opono amane de oni munyamba fo o ya sofo na nipa bia wunyini duru ba bia ho enya adwuma a wo ye bie na ma wani die o nipa atwa ho hye na de wani die ma because they say untimi nya adwuma bia nipa na de to anya careful about say wani die na tofo so we should be very careful. Number adia ba ko ami sen kan because you are very important say enkora no ma submit am mu hia ase no ye nkire wo mu nyansa ne nya wo mu say ye kire wo mu kronobo
didi atam
ye kire wo mu kronobo
didi atam
kronobo woni nya kronobo
no papa chire mu say
kronobo
chire mu say
akora ko suku ade osua na obi abonten a wayo
it's true
that's my make am
where they are conquer. The answer sheet. In fact, our time is almost up. Now, say that this is the part 2 because and some no endorso. Or say I was set ye chair or more near my papa near jai or more pronoba ye chair or more. Now a prako square. Eno bi kan teacher wo je wani mu kire wade abon a wo ye dan a wo pie ba wo bebon teacher say 1 + 1 ye 5 akra no eno na daddy tirim Inti said a papa canon. Yes, spiritual fathers na omo yen chire enkura na omo hye yase no eniema papa yen fa nyame asem entete omo Paul edi nyame asem etete Timothy ene Titus inti na Paul timi de nse sinebo edi ne mane ho adanse so papa ni oba be pa na otimi de nse sinebo
de omaniska
ho adanse
omaniska
said de omauska just said de otua tight kese na emom
just said de okojeji nkrofo nsem brawo
informations at the brow. There was yes, there was some microphone feed there. What did information from? The ultimate recording for the brow or no pet and ultimately no more dance. Papa say, yen chile ya mano near my papa. Yen yai chrono bo and silkro and did the attempt and ne I suffocate what now or so suffocate what to me do be at the ma to a bar who I won't cast seven beside say, hey, it is that time when you are will see. Would be some quotations to fight for our betting yeji and so friend who suffer. I have pill and I been no creative. The answer sheet is so and I can't say it with Bible reference. The Bible no.
Obi bia spiritual father Ghana ni bia wo we nti obi bia spiritual father wa friend father afi ba ko mfie mienu o ma wa so ne da
onye spiritual father untimi fa ne Nancy
o mo pa ye ma wo da onye spiritual father woni ne telephone number onye spiritual father da papa bia so a obi aba so meti ama sa spiritual father na o so le o de spiritual father ni na won fa ni die ma ah okwa bonti asem wo ka fa ho nko du anim asem wo ka nko uhu na on submit e papa to wadwunu me mfrɛ sɛ nipa o kai wo ma enka ne nka wo onye oba
enti na edi beti adum ya tia se
oba ya ade na otunufo no anye wo anya fekura na oba ye ne kese oba no omu mitiwe wo se me baby ya ade me fofo fro say hey abaka papa unti majai osuro kura because you take room where you have bibia ntu nchen ye di sofu be di samre wotie de meken ye ma bi ntimi nyankwase asem o because untimi nkase o papa ne me na nkogu hu anim ase na nkodi minua sofu bi atem wa bra mete Ghana ya mete Ghana never
sofu na osman ne ba no
never
ono na osman ne ba ni se kodi atem
because o papa me nkodi sofu bi atem
that is the thing
me nkodi minua sofu bi atem o ye ni nyam djuma me ye nyam djuma me nkodi na tuma eden e na me nkodi sofu panni bi fama no we entia so panni bi da me yire wa gazette ya so panni bi da ya gazette obi da
me fere kura
ya fare kura ta kura se be ye
me ni sa akukudro
me no watena se adwene obi ahwe ase ho da
David ya de ye den
obi anu ase da
na se nke badwini kwa ye be fa so a ye be nya sika o
God bless you
betra se ade san se hu ne
but me catch on na obi timi dwene ye mienu hu fra na
elu de se bebre obu okwo tesi a wo hu ye ne bo tie o wọ́n sì ẹ̀tí wà yẹ́ ní nǹkan mọ́ yà yẹ́ kásá fẹ́yìn ní bóòtì because ọmọ plan ya jáde ń bọ̀ ní wàtí jáde ń bọ̀ ní ẹbí àdé ń pa ẹbí amẹ́ká kyerẹ́ nípa ṣe mínítà ọdí bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ní ọ̀sẹ̀ ọdí bẹ́ẹ̀ dùn òbí aṣẹ́ àṣẹ wájú ìkọ́ yà bẹ́ẹ̀ fa sọ wà bírabọ̀ ẹbẹ̀ kọ́ n'anim yẹ́nì yẹ́ dùn ìkọ́ yà bẹ́ẹ̀ fa sọ à yẹ́ wíyẹ́ program à yẹ́ dùn ìkọ́ yà bẹ́ẹ̀ fa sọ à next week yẹ́ ní program papa bẹ́ẹ̀ brẹ́ wò ẹnu ni yẹ́ dwene kọ́ yà bẹ́ẹ̀ fa sọ à asọ́lé bẹ́ẹ̀ tún pọ́n kwanye befa so a ansole mo mo ye nas no be die nyame be hira wo mo ye dwe kwanye befa so a enyema be koyie oman Ghana be tumpon enye wo wahye ase because wo hwe ase a in fact waje pede bi enu ebedi me ho wo hye ase a wo mintimi me wale nkuru se wo ja ukunu a ukunu mintimi me fa na nka me de ho e na wo ja wo yira me yiri mi kunu wo me wale nka me ho because me kwa na odom wo ye dan me wo fese ho nti wo me wale nka me ho Inti ya ji ho adwen bone ayede me sirawo dwadwen papa na adwen papa entina utirim na no na papa preach eno aye live aye ye or say if you want to be a good friend you yourself be a good friend the opposite nipa enyama wo no eno na ye spiritual father fa akoma pata or spiritual son nachi yimpa ye pama no tete no Eli etete Samuel ema pempen so obedu o na be hye ne ono anasni mu makora ntima anhye ne nunyam sa nti fa akoma pate tinipa no odi wachi no ebi a wokyena o na be ma animonyam aba oso neyi eniema ensefru mu ne yenkyere mofra no odi achi no eniema papa nyanya ekronobo ene edidi atem ene nipa seya enne ye de kyere nkra no nti abofra bi nim nyame obewura nyame fie mom a na brabo no asai kra se fesa na nkoti wiase ni nyina is because of what spiritual fatherhood ye chire omo ekwan obefa so a obekwa akoko ne ntokwa e de ama no na onwa ye din na o hye chire
na odo banyine wo ya oba wo chire na sofudie so ongo fro oba ma ongo je oba number oba wo chire na sofudie
She hotel.
Agosua enyema
okra na akobuki.
Agosua enyema ni bu ho a enyema ni bu ho a airtime na ni nyina de me kan say ye man pai bo nya adwuma.
Nya adwuma.
Because ye pai ba bi pai bo ni no problem pa hoda.
It's true.
Pai bo say bibia.
It's true.
Say both the fathers and the sons no. In fact
they
some of the
prayers.
fathers and some of the sons we need prayers.
Yes.
If nyam pai bo because enyema e koso say no e too much. But say empire ye adwuma enyema be ye. Enipa ye careful say de obi ani pono manipa. Na no me wa so na brante bi ba e mo kan kire papa se me bi hu mbu sa se hwan ya omo bo ndi na so mo kan kire se yinya ni fia yinya no
na papa de se nka obi e ne proto wa nka ne made nka e do so
yo bia no betwa me wo kro fele kwa so be mani se ho
so obua enye obi a ne bi ye pono ma no da bi na me kwa me ye oba me me pono na ono da bi ye mi ye pono ma nti hwese da wototo niema because wa hwe ase ejina de oben wo so
God bless you
ena wo pagya ejina de oben wo so yesi wakonya boa se watan ye da ejina chiye nti hwe omo matwa wo ahie ye eno pe ene betimi aboa na unim si ye sori bia de a na wo mfa anyame no ye ntimi nya awokwa se wo fa nyame yie nko ade a nyame na mpokro bie wani ama nya nipa bia keke na akọ submit ma no se nyame nkonkru tiwo mu a enye nipa bia kekempo na wonso wo bie wo ponoma no ni se won fa yesu se okra no waje nkwa ne papa na di ye wuram mesrew fansa to akoma so
fansa to akoma so bra ye bompa yi
fansa to akoma so man
Jesus ka so wura yesu me da wase se ne den wa mate wasem wura yesu ma ye bone ma ye atum fa me mfonso wo che me na twire me din e wa won kwan wo me na wo pie wani monyam a ma nya yiraba me da wase se wa jeme se wo do ba Jesus amen
amen so wo kan bia ene wa ya abode foforo ne ma dada nya atwem ko asori ebe wo Bible teaching school class and a Bible teaching church na ye fa nyame asem entito
Bible teaching church
ye wo so tiom
Bible teaching church ni ba no me na ko ga so nko Bible teaching
se me se de be na bia no oni nkran
no we
bia no wo hwe ye fini
se
wo mo all over the world mo hwe
ye ko ga bi wa buruchire yakosia
ene mba chopra koga ye share Tuesdays and Sundays
Bible asori bia ye kire Bible bia
ye church Bible bia wutimi ko na mo pese one ye soma
o ben ha dia bra koga
yes o pese one ye soma ye share Tuesdays and Sundays e wo so tiom o manjo kev oba erade e de nsa bekan erade wo share no onye okese ye wa won tinani mu nche onko so na won tie wa hiem na ka ehu se da sene adom ya adoma ye sign so any obeshia is all about the answer sheet.
God bless
Happy
you.
May Day. We love you. And a holiday. And a holiday.
God bless you. Bye bye.
You go. Bye bye.
Oh, Eradi. So what's me women talk about what could be mammy to be a rata? I saw me who must some cow in a mix so what can be mammy. And I tell about my power. As somebody said, if I want too many mamma. I want it just from an intro. Carblanda. Ah, my coupon, a child. Chama trofo